As all good things must come to an end, our time in Hawaii also comes to an end, and I will need an extra video to share my thoughts and thanks and lessons and intentions, everything that I've learned along these 6 months. However, on this beautiful last day, it was actually Lucy's birthday. We were so happy and super thankful to be spending it with our friends still on the island, even though we had to spend some time of that day packing and cleaning out our apartment.
Of course, I wanted to body surf on my birthday, so we went to Morocco for sunrise. I was gifted many beautiful lays, and we went to Lena's and my favorite cafe to grab breakfast.
In between frantic cleaning and folding and emptying and packing, I made lunch for the boys and we all took a break to play true surf. Our friend Julie came over for extra support and we took a little dance break to uplift our spirits. At the end of the day, we went to Ars, the art cafe, to meet up with Brody and say goodbye to him, which was very, very hard. I cannot even talk about saying goodbye to Tarzan Martin without starting to tear up because it was so hard on all of us and we held on to each other for way too long, sobbing all the while, and we cannot wait until we're gonna see them again, hopefully very, very soon. I knew it had to be difficult for Sarah too because us leaving meant that she only had a couple of days left on the island and it was nearing a goodbye for her as well. Now let us try to shake off all the bad feelings because I will definitely have another video sharing all of my thoughts, as I said, all of my feelings and intentions and thanks and everything that I've learned in another video. I'm definitely planning on doing that, but let's skip 2 weeks and over 120 hours of traveling to our next stop.
Hey guys, guess what? We're in Africa. To be specific, we actually are in Morocco right now.
And it's Lucy's first time in Africa, so we're super excited for that.
We are basically here to be back in van life and enjoy everything, but also
we have a little side project. Actually, it's not a side project, it's pretty much the main project why we're here too. And also the first project, which we're very excited to share with you in the near future. But as for now, we're in Morocco. We want to have a great time. We are super stoked to be back in Maverick.
Surf a lot,
And yeah, show you guys around.
enjoy Morocco with us.
So let's go.
There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plans. You say pace yourself, slow it down. And I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels, killing time, you and I, hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I, in this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're killing time. There's something about the way you talk